There are many ways to attach a clasp frame. Some methods use only glue, others rely on sewing. This is the method I prefer for long-term durability. I start by applying a small amount of textile glue inside the frame. Using a toothpick, I spread the glue as evenly as possible. Next, I tuck one side of the purse opening into the frame. With an awl, I gently press the fabric inside until the top stitching disappears into the frame. I let this side rest for about 10 minutes before moving to the other side. Then I repeat the same process for the second side. At this stage, glue alone is an option. However, for a purse that will be used often, I prefer to sew the frame as well. Ideally, let the glue dry overnight before sewing. For stitching, I use two strands of embroidery thread. I begin from inside the purse. The needle goes from the inside through the hole in the frame and back inside through the next hole. Then I return to the previous hole once more. This creates a continuous seam on the outside with minimal visible stitching on the inside. If stitches show on the lining, I gently push them into the frame using an awl. Because of the glue and thicker areas from velvet and lace, the needle may resist. Use pliers to pull the needle, never your teeth. If the thread twists or tightens, shift it slightly behind the needle before pulling through. Always pull the thread, not the needle. When reaching the end, sew a few stitches around the curved joint of the frame. Secure with a knot before cutting. For the second side, continue as one uninterrupted process, starting where the first side ended. Here, I intentionally show what to do if a needle breaks near the end. Cut the thread, leaving enough length to knot. Make 2 or 3 tight knots, trim close, and tuck the thread into the frame. Then continue with a new needle as if nothing happened. Finish the second side the same way, sewing over the joint and securing the thread. And this is the finished purse.